Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be showing you how to make some money in RDR2 very easily, straight from the game, no cheats. And this is not clickbait, this is a very easy way to make money. Only takes a tiny bit of time. You will eventually make money in game. So what you want to be going to do is, if you look on the D-pad on Xbox controller, you can go to a part that says free roam. You go to free roam and you go to quick join. You then scroll down, and when you see the money icon and the gold in the corner of the screen, you will click on that, and I think it's called shootout series. Now you will wait for the matchmaking to start. It should be starting in about a few seconds. So I am now loading into matchmaking. When you load into matchmaking, you will either go straight to an open game, or you'll be headed to a lobby. If you're headed to a lobby, just start the game and you'll go in there, and yeah. But for some reason, when doing this pre-recorded video, I was sent straight into the match. So when you are sent straight in, you will see something that says steal, something like steal the loot. I've won 1 out of 3 of those matches. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't. You can flip and win all 3. You can lose all 3 of them, and you'll still make some decent amount of gold. So when we get out of this lobby, I'll show you the increase of gold and money. And this is what your lobby will normally look like, where it says view players and everything. But I want to exit now. So you will see, just by playing 3 matches, if I go down, bottom out on the D-pad, I have made some money and some gold. And it works quite well. I'll show a replay of how much gold and money I've made. By the way guys, I think I worked out that I made almost about 2 gold and about $100. So I think that worked out pretty good. And that only took about 20 so minutes of work. But you could easily make much more. I've made about 300 in some runs. I've made a lot more gold in some runs. I just think it works quite good. See ya guys. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for you guys. I hope that works for you guys, and yeah, it should be absolutely fine. There's no cheats involved. It's just pure gameplay. Only takes a tiny bit of time, and you will eventually make some gold. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.